So this is the mini project for the AINT 513 Visual Perception and Autonomy project. The basic aim for this program is to display the outline of a person or multiple people in front of the webcam while removing the noise from the background and foreground. So I'm going to run my code first and then explain it as it happens on screen. Yeah, so there is a lot of lag on the system because I'm recording the screen and I'm using it in a virtual machine because I have a Mac. Alright, so basically this is the original image, and as you can see in the corners the contours are in the border, they are not outlining my body. Now we have, so for this we use the HSV image compared to the RGB, because if you see in the HSV it provides the perfect contrast between the body and the noise in the background. As you can see, the body is blue with green specks while the background noise is in red. So we convert this HSV image, which is the hue, saturation and brightness image, to a binary image. So yeah, so basically the binary image initially is just white because it's white because the high brightness value has not been toggled to optimality yet. The control window that you can see here is used to attain the perfect outline on the body, and the values for hue and saturation are optimal as it is with a lot of trial and error, so you don't have to change any of that. Even the brightness low is perfect, just the brightness high value needs to be toggled, and I found out that the optimal value needs to be anywhere between 95 and 130 depending on who's using it and what's there in the background. So now we will reduce the brightness high to about 117, and as you can see it's removed almost all the outside noise and it's shown the body with the face as white perfectly. And this is the binary image. Now to the binary image we threshold it using dilation and erosion so erosion is used to remove any small objects in the background, and dilation is used to enhance the larger objects, in this case which is the body, to get the threshold image. Let's see if we can find the threshold image. There we go. So you can see the threshold image, even though it's not perfect, it's nearly perfect, where it outlines the body. You can see, yeah, now you can see it with the ears. You'll need to toggle through the brightness high just a little bit through the different images to see them perfectly. So you can see that in this case, if you kept the brightness high at 138, the binary screen shows a bit of the noise. You can see the door and the knob in the background, but in the threshold image, due to erosion and dilation, you can see the outline of the body perfectly, and the background is almost completely blank, which is exactly what we want. And now we go to the contour screen, where it shows the contour from the threshold image, where you can see exactly the outline of the body. The small square in the background is actually the knob on the door, so you can ignore that. So you can see the outline is perfectly formed with my face. Now we go back to the original image and we superimpose the contour image on the original, and as you can see, the outline is perfectly formed on the body. I mean, there is the doorknob in the background that is also highlighted, but we can ignore that. So the body is perfectly outlined, and all the noise, the board in the background and the door border and the wall border, all of them are ignored. Even the light on top, all of it is ignored, and it just focuses on outlining the body. This also works with multiple images, and we can see that the optimal value is set at 138. Yep, so basically that's my code. Yep, so you can even see the hand getting highlighted. Yep, so that's my code. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and all comments are welcome. Cheers.